In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to your Wix website. Whether you're expanding your online presence or sharing insights with your audience, setting up a blog is a great way to engage with visitors. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get your blog up and running. To start, head over to the Wix website editor. This is your all-in-one tool for customizing your site, so log in and select the website you wish to add a blog to. Once you're inside the editor, you'll find an array of options on the left-hand side. Here, you want to look for and click on the option labeled Add Elements. This is where you can access a variety of features to enhance your website. Next, within the Add Elements section, click on Blog. This will present you with the option to add blogging functionalities to your site. Now, select Add to Site to bring the blog to your web page. Be patient for a little while as the system integrates these features into your existing website structure. Once the blog feature has been added, click on Write Post. This is the exciting part where you get to draft your first blog entry. A writing space will open up, allowing you to explore your creativity. Start by typing the details of your blog post. Here you can outline your ideas, introduce your topics, and write the content you want to share with your audience. In case you'd like some assistance with the content, Wix offers a handy feature called Generate Post with AI. Click on this to get a helping hand from artificial intelligence. It will ask you to describe your topic briefly, so provide a clear, concise description to guide the AI in generating relevant text. After you've described your topic, simply click Next to proceed. This initial step lets the AI sort through possibilities to craft content tailored to your needs. Click Next again for the AI to finalize your post. Now it's just a matter of reviewing the generated content to ensure it fits your style and conveys your message. Subsequent to refining your post, click on Create Post. Give it a moment to process and prepare your post for publication. Once everything is set, you will notice the option to Publish. Hit this button to make your blog post live on your website. And there you have it. You've just added a blog to your Wix site and published your first post. Remember, consistently updating your blog with engaging content is key to maintaining and growing your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Happy blogging!